that without the consent of Professor Shaw, university have altered the royalty sharing. Obviously, Professor Shaw objected that this is like a not acceptable, and he has filed a suit against the company, that organization. Now, what happened? The case like this went into the court of appeal, and court rejected UC's claim. Actually, court given the ruling in favor of a professor, that maybe you have a authority to change policy. Definitely university have to change the authority to change a policy, but you cannot change the royalty sharing which is already agreed upon, and that you cannot impose that changed policy without consent of a professor. That is not allowed, right? That is not allowed, because in given circumstances, in your given agreement, that the professor have agreed upon that particular sharing, royalty sharing, and now suddenly you are changing without the knowledge of a professor, and now you are imposing that particular to professor who is one of the inventors. So, that is not acceptable. Court given this